Well, hey guys, here today on the Rusty Glove Box, what we're going to do today is I have a valve stem replacement tool that Steve Robb showed on his channel. But what's so unique about this replacement tool is that you don't have to break the tire down or anything. You can replace the stem without breaking down the tire. And this is going to be the first one that I've done, so we're going to try it out on my new little garden trailer. So anyway guys, here is the tool. It's a little AME International, and real simple on how it works. You've got the little hook to get the old stem out. You have this little cone that you press against the wheel for the stem opening, and the little driving tool that you shove the stem down the tool to get it installed into the wheel. I thought if you wanted to buy this tool, this is the part number for it, if you can see that. I'd recommend using some sort of lubricant. They said use a tube and tire lubricant. What it says is that you can push it all the way through and then pull it back out. So like you would like a regular stem installation on pulling the stem back out. So well, here I'm going to start on trying to replace that stem, and I'm going to try to stay out of your way so you can see what's going on. T-handle tool with a hook on it. Supposed to be able to push it in. I think I'm going to have to lube it up. Alright, we got it in. Kind of the trick is get it in and twist a little bit. Alright, I've turned my hook, and it's going to pull that whole stem out, I hope, without... Alright. Well, that's pretty slick. Got the whole stem out. So, wasn't the simplest thing in the world, but it did work. So one thing good that I liked about this, when you get the old stem out, it's not like you cut the stem off and the little thing is going to roll around on the inside. So you got everything out. Now the big trick is to try to get the stem in. Well, this is going to be try number 2, and what I did to this stem is I took it to the belt sander and I kind of sanded a little bit of a taper on that. And what I'm hoping, this will better allow the stem to go inside this wheel, but we'll see how that works. Well, here we go. We're going to try again, and I need to hold this on there tightly. Okay. Well, let's see. We got the stem in there. It shaved a little rubber off, but maybe that won't be a problem. Alright, so we've got our stem in there, and it looks like it's in place good. And the core is in place. Aired the tire up good. I don't hear any leaks. And I'll tell you what, that looks like that's fixed that leaky stem problem. So anyway, kudos to Steve for suggesting this stem installation tool. So anyway, thanks Steve for the tip. I'll be sure and put a link down below for Steve's channel. This is Rusty Glove Box. Thanks for watching, and I'm out of here.